Today I'm going to explain the benefits of using the website Little Critter inside and outside of the classroom. First, I'll start by explaining what it is. Little Critter is a website created specifically for story reading, but that's not all this website features. It also features activities, storytime movies, sing-along stories, coloring sheets, and interactive stories. This website is beneficial for teachers to use within the classroom because since this website is literature-based, it can be used to cover both Common Core and the Colorado Academic Standards. Using this website is also effective for teachers because it is easy to access and there are many different stories to choose from. You can choose from stories here in the library. There are tons of options. This website can be used to enhance learning because children will likely be more interested to read if there are animations and ways for them to interact, which is exactly what this website provides. Here in the interactive read and play section, there are many different activities they can interact with. Lastly, this website is more likely to engage students in reading than having them read on their own. I say this because students can sing along with the story, interact with stories, and read along while the story is being read to them. This is an especially helpful website for those who don't like reading. So here we have storytime movies. You can choose from a different selection here. We have sing-along sections. You can click different songs to sing along with. And then again, the interactive read and play. This website is beneficial for teachers because it is effective and efficient. And this website is beneficial for students because it enhances their learning and is a great way to keep them engaged. It can even be used by parents at home to encourage their children to read. If you haven't already, I suggest you check this website out.